All right, so when you look at this, the first thing that should come to your mind is that you have one term. So again, terms are separated by addition and subtraction signs. There's just one term in the denominator. And whenever we have one term for our denominator, what we want to do is we want to split it up. And that is our simplification step. So remember, the first thing we always do is we try to simplify. And the common tricks are usually removing parentheses and also this idea of if it's one term in the denominator, split it up. So this will still be our f of x. It's not going to be our derivative. So we'll have f of x equals x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared over 3 minus 4/3. All right, now the whole goal is to have everything so it's x to a power, so we can use our power rule in this particular section. So do keep in mind you can use your power rule on this x cubed over 3 and also on the second term, because this is the same thing as 1/3 x to the third power plus 2/3 x squared minus 4/3. So really we just have constant coefficients here that are fractions. So now that it is simplified, our second step is that we are going to take our derivative. And to take our derivative, we have to have x in the numerator, which it is. So we can bring down by the power rule the exponent. So this is now f prime of x. Bringing down the exponent, we have 3. We still have this 1/3 because it's tagging along as a constant coefficient because it is with the x. So we'll have 3 over 3, which of course is 1, and then subtract 1 from the exponent to get x squared. All right, for the second term, the x squared is with this 2/3. So the 2/3 tags along. We bring down the 2, so that's going to be 2 times 2, so plus 4x to the first power, because we take 2 minus 1, subtract the exponent, over 3. Now, this minus 4/3, that is a standalone constant all by its little lonesome. So that is going to become 0. All right, so to simplify, the only thing really to simplify is these 3 over 3 term is, or 3 over 3 coefficient is going to become 1. So we write that as x squared plus 4/3 x. And that becomes our derivative of f.